Yo, what up guys, welcome back. Patched.
Welcome back.
Yes, and today we're going to be doing a Does It game. So welcome to our Does It game series. This is where we take weird stuff like turtle mice, I don't even know, Logitech wireless,
Just really weird gaming peripherals and we test them out, see if it games.
Exactly, and today we have a cutting board from Amazon. So I got this on Amazon. It's a 4-pack. It comes with like a different variety of colors.
Yeah, is your Shindekai wearing out on you after a week? Your Razer Akari wearing out after a week? You got a 4-pack.
Exactly, 4-pack for like 10-15 bucks.
Not bad at all.
Yes, and we've been playing with it. The size is not that bad.
Yeah, it's a little small, but if you're using, like I'm using 800 DPI and 1080p monitor, it's doable.
This is the smallest I'd go.
Yeah, definitely the smallest I'd go.
Exactly. I wish maybe it was a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit wider, but we definitely made it work. If you guys do want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box. I don't know why if you guys if you want to get it, but you can if you want.
Watch the review and then see.
All right. So on the bottom of this bad boy, it's the same exact thing as on top.
There's no rubber.
There's no rubber.
No rubber on there.
So it moves around, but when you slide, look at this. I'm putting a lot of pressure on this too, and it doesn't really move around that much.
Yeah, when my wrist is on there too, and I'm finger tipping, it doesn't really move around a whole lot. Yes. Plus I've got another mouse pad that's under it, which you may not have if you're using this as a mouse pad, but it's something.
Exactly, like if you put on another mouse pad, it doesn't move as much.
And if you think about this, right? If you just want to get rid of using your mouse on a wood surface. I know some guy was talking about that in the comment. He's like, my mouse pad is a wood surface with nicks in it.
No way.
Get one of these. Get one of these, man. It's like 10 bucks. You get a 4-pack, some for the homies too, and then you're set.
If you want to cook some vegetables too, you take it to the kitchen and
to bring back the nicks on there for the nostalgic feel.
Exactly. So yeah, that does suck a little bit, but it kind of you can make it work. And then like when you're moving though, kind of like this, I did experience myself moving the mouse pad a little bit. But
palm grip's a little rough on there.
Exactly, but I have a large mouse pad that covers basically the entire desk, so I didn't really have that issue as much. Obviously, this is a hard mouse pad, so there's no need for stitching or anything, and it's super thin. I would say it's around 2 millimeters.
Yeah, decent quality for sure.
Decent quality.
Good thickness. The edges look sort of I don't know, they're a little sharp. Might want to sand these bad boys down a little bit.
Oh, okay.
But other than that, as a mouse pad, it kind of works.
It definitely kind of works. So if you look at the actual texture, I feel is designed so that stuff doesn't slip on this that much. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you're cutting some fish or something, I don't know. But the texture is kind of weird. It's kind of rough.
Yeah, it's a little bit rough. It's kind of nano bead UV activated.
All right. So as far as the actual slide goes, so this is the Viper Ultimate. There's PPF feet, and look. Here's a soft mouse pad just for reference. So obviously it's not that nice,
It's not the best, but it's a decent surface to work on.
Yes.
Honestly.
So here's the thing. It's not that fast. It's scratchy. It definitely feels like something's grabbing onto your mouse. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It feels like maybe sandpaper or something. I don't know, but it just feels like something. It's sticky a little bit, versus an actual gaming mouse pad where it's very, very smooth. So because of that, I don't think it's a great option. And also because of the texture on this mat, I think it'll eat through your mouse feet pretty damn quick. You can see all the scratch marks. Oh my god.
But you get good stopping power,
for your flicky flicks,
Yeah, you get the flicks.
Yeah.
Honestly, I kind of got used to it when I was gaming with this guy. I forgot that I was gaming on a cutting board. It's I feel the moral of this story is it's not that bad. That's the QVC commercial for this.
It ain't that bad, but yeah, you can definitely make it work. And like Lucas said, basically you can get used to a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? But if you want a nice setup, like a nice gaming mouse pad, then
You might want to look at some higher quality cutting boards.
Obviously,
I would say.
higher quality cutting boards. Yes, definitely. Don't get the cheap 4-pack one. Get the professional grade Gordon Ramsay sponsored one.
That's what I would say.
Exactly. You know, so don't, but does it game? That's the moral of this video. That's the point of this video. Does it game? Yes, you can game with it.
Games.
It works.
And is it better than using just a regular wood desk?
Definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
100%.
For sure. It gets you a good flat surface, and it's a hard mouse pad, so it's a little faster too.
Yeah.
So honestly, like it's not horrible.
Yes.
It's not horrible.
But does it game well though? No.
No.
It doesn't game that well.
It doesn't game well. Exactly. I wouldn't recommend it if you're looking to go pro or anything like that. But hey, if you're on a tight budget and you need something that's better than a wood desk, this will get you by. Like it's not a terrible option.
You know what I want to see?
Gaming mouse pad is better.
You know what I want to see? I want to see Shroud play on this. That would be awesome.
I think that'd be interesting.
That would be very interesting. But you know, it's Shroud. He'll probably kill everyone with this anyway.
Yep.
But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see other products like for this Does It Game series, tell us, like, recommend us some stuff to do down in the comment section below. Again, if you guys do want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.